Hello everyone. If you are given some data and it is not in proper format, as you can see a sample data I have taken here, the names are not in proper format. Some are showing lowercase letters, some are showing uppercase letters, and it is a complete messed up data. So in order to change the data in three different formats, a proper format, as you can see here, uppercase letter format, a lowercase letters format. Let's start with the first one. All you have to do is insert equal sign and type in proper. The formula will appear on the Excel. Double click on the formula and then select the cell, bracket close and press enter. You can clearly see the name has changed as per the proper format. Now select the cell, drag the cell down and you will get the desired data. Now if you want to change the same data to uppercase letter format, all you have to do is insert equal sign, type in upper, the formula will appear on the Excel, double click on the formula, select the cell that you want to change the data, bracket close, press enter. The data will change as per your requirement. You can clearly see it has changed to uppercase letter format. Now select this cell and drag it down till the end of your data and all the names will change to uppercase letter. Now for the third, if you want to change the names to lowercase letters, all you have to do is insert equal sign, type in lower, the formula will appear on the Excel. Double click on the formula, select the cell, close the bracket and press enter. The name will change, the word will change to lowercase letter format and drag the cell down. All the names will change to lowercase letter. Now there are three simple formulas to change your data from this format, irregular messed up format, to proper format, uppercase letter format and lowercase letter format.